Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on InfinitePay.io. Adding an extra layer of security to your account is essential, and two-factor authentication is a simple and effective way to do it. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the settings or security section. This is where you can find the option to enable two-factor authentication. Select on the two-factor authentication option to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method of authentication. You can either use an authenticator app or receive codes via SMS. If you choose the authenticator app, download an app like Google Authenticator or Authy on your smartphone. Open the app and scan the QR code displayed on the InfinitePay.io screen. Enter the verification code generated by the Authenticator app into the provided field on InfinitePay.io and select Verify. If you select SMS codes option before, enter your phone number and click Send Code. You will receive a text message with the verification code. Enter this code into the provided field on InfinitePay.io and click Verify. Once your verification code is accepted, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your account. You will now be required to enter a code from your Authenticator app or received via SMS each time you log in. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on InfinitePay.io. This additional security step helps protect your account from unauthorized access. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. And thanks for watching. And also, see you next time.